Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2016 Ford Focus SE. Now the exterior color is an Oxford white, and under the hood we have a 2-liter inline-4 engine paired to an automatic transmission. Now at the front we have our halogen high and low beam headlamps, our daytime running lights, and over at the side, we have our 16-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in our Continental tires, as well as we have our color-matched mirror caps and color-matched door handles. This Focus also comes with remote start. At the rear, we have our Focus SE and Flex Fuel badging, as well as a reverse camera, and at the rear window, we have an embedded defroster with our wiper blade attached. At the interior, we have tons of driver-friendly features, including lots of door storage, as well as power windows, power adjustable mirrors, and power locks. We also have heated mirrors. Over at our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp dial, as well as we have our information trackpad with cruise control settings and our hands-free and volume controls on the right. And as we look up, we have our rear view mirror, as well as we have our cabin light. And at our interior, we have a beautiful cloth seating, which has a manual adjustable seat for both driver and passenger. And as we look at our display cluster, you'll notice we have 25,606 kilometers. And over at our LCD display screen, we have our outside temperature, as well as date and time. We also have our CD receiver, as well as media controls, including radio, AM and FM, and Sirius XM connection, and phone connectivity. And underneath, we have our control area, which includes air conditioning heating throughout the entire cabin, as well as heated seats for both driver and passenger. And down below we have our USB port, as well as 12-volt adapter and a heated steering wheel for the driver. We also have our console shift, which has our dual cup holders at the rear and our electrical parking brake, and our center console with tons of storage underneath. At the rear, passengers can enjoy tons of door storage, as well as power windows and more storage in the rear of the driver and passenger seat. And with our 60/40 bench seating arrangement, we have tons of legroom and lots of headspace to fit 3 passengers in the rear comfortably. And that is a total of 5 passenger seating. If there are any more questions about this beautiful Focus, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.